In this video, I'll show you how to fast forward or slow down a clip in Final Cut Pro X. First, select your clip in Final Cut, and then right below the player, click on this icon that looks like a clock, and from here you can select if you want to slow down or fast forward a clip. So if I select 4x here, it will be 4 times faster. And then you can click on this arrow on top of your clip and click on custom, and then you can select a custom rate of speed if you want. You can also set it to go in reverse if that's what you want. If you want to set a custom speed for slow motion, you click on this and apply a slow motion preset, and then click on this arrow again and click on custom, and now you can set the custom slow motion speed right here. And that's how you slow down or fast forward a clip in Final Cut Pro X. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribe for more.